lot, you know. So please share your story. Please share with me your
Yes.
story. Yeah.
Uh, I, I am from Bihar, but right now I'm living in Noida, and I have done my graduation 2017. Then I I I have worked with a private company as an accountant. So there there are most requirement is English conversation and communicate with English.
Okay.
So we have I was uh, start to practicing English and improving our English. That's we are connecting with us with you.
Okay.
So I had joined already one two time English class, but they only teach me a grammar, vocabulary, and uh, uh, tense, 12 type tense and verb, but we can't express ourselves and in front of people in English. So I think most important for learning any language, we have to communicate with people. That's we can speak fluently and perfectly.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see. So, brother, could you tell me how much rupees you paid about your English language? Because you told me like, I was joining English speaking classes. So, how much rupees you paid over there? Already paid. How much rupees?
Uh, I have already paid one time 5,000 and one time 2,000. 7,000 rupees I have already paid, and three month course and one month course. But they take me classes, but you have only half an hour class. Then sometimes is it the network problem, and sometimes you are busy, so your classes is over. Your so and they teach me only grammar, and they give me some. Uh, 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 topics the
Okay.
topics talking about the topic, but in a half an hour you can't learn any language. Why only not
Right.
English? If you are trying to other language, so you can't mm, fluent any language only a half an hour class. So
Okay.
my experience, I have many time I have to learn English since 2017 when I was come in Noida and doing
Uh-huh.
job. So I had joined classes and I will try to speak English, but some 1 week 2 week ago after 1 week 2 week I give up. It's not for me. I think our English is very low. I don't have basic language, so I uh, always give up. But right now, I am very serious. So I will. I am. I think 1 month we are trying to speak English, and right now I am a good listener. I speak. I listen YouTube channels. From YouTube channel. So we have get confident ki we also talk, we also fluent in English because this is only language. Like in Hindi you don't know, we can't use big sentence like हृदय परिवर्तन आतर समर्पण दृढ़ संकल्प. That's not use this type of language in Hindi. We normal talk about how I मतलब क्या कर रहे हो क्या करते हो normal conversation. So if you want to speak any language, you have to try express yourself in front of people. So we can some time ago you can you make sentence small sentence and sometime ago you can uh, make a big sentence also and you can speak well. This is my experience, I think, for all
Yeah.
language.
Wow, your experience is amazing. Seriously, you took a too much journey, and that was amazing for you. And you realize like how to be learn a English language. What should we do? And that like when you join online classes about English language, so that was like I think it was worst for you. Am I right? It was worst for
I
you.
think boss English classes only go bhul bhulaiya. They only teach you grammar. Uh, can they will they call you ki, you have to learn phrase and three form of verb, five form of verb, and you getting a very confused ki, what have to do. I am not. I think our basic language is not enough to for spoken. So you are give up. This is not my part. This is not this is not for me.
Okay.
But right now, I'm confident if I'm talk with a person and if you are communicate with person, you can definitely communicate
Yeah, this is we can
because
call.
we are Indian.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we are Indian. Yeah, we use three four type language. Because in my case, I use five language
Mhm. Oh,
in a day, five language in a day. Because our native language is Mathli. You know Mathli.
mhm.
So and in home you know we use Mathli, and some friends call from Bihar. We talk about we talk with Bhojpuri. Them if and then I go to office. Them use Hindi and some I'm living in Kolkata. One from 12. So some friend are called from Kolkata. We talk with him Bengali. So I use the four five language daily life.
Oh my God.
So I am confident कि if I am trying to speak English, I can speak very well. After 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 1 year, but I can speak.
Yeah, of course, you can one day definitely will improve because you have a power of learning any new language because already you know that five language. So this is not a piece of cake we can say. Already you know that. So it's a great thing like English also part of life. If you concentrate, if you practice, if you struggle yourself, automatically you will improve yourself automatically. Just try to talk with stranger, talk about, and don't believe that grammar part and any English speaking classes. Just avoid this thing because already you got the experience like the that was like worst for me. It was not helping about over there. What happened, I'm going to tell a truth what's going on over there. They try to give a task like about grammar structure, verb, adverb, and model. We feel too complicated over there. We do not get the opportunity to deliver our content in front of people. We do not get, we just get a very limited period. We can say like 1 hour, 2 hour, that's it. But just think about if we do 1 and 2 hour, we will never improve our communication skill. We have to concentrate about whole day, whole time. Then we will improve at least basically. But if you talk about any institute over there, no anyone teach English language. Seriously, I mean, if you talk about language, we can improve ourselves. Like if we listen more, if we try to watch more, if we try to practice more, automatically we will listen. And you told me like I can speak a 5 to 6 language. So maybe without any institute, without any like online, you able to talk. You can speak those five languages, right?
Even I don't know is later also. Even I don't
Yeah.
know later also in Mathli and Bengali what is later I don't know. But I can speak.
Yeah, because practice, while conversation, like whenever you attend your conference call and conversation with talking with stranger, you try to communicate, you try to listen more, you try to observe more. That's why reason you can able to talk easily, like
In
Bengali
case
and
of
Tamil
English,
conversation.
we know all type. In English, we have advantage of we know very kinds of meaning, words meaning.
Yeah.
This is advantage for us.
Yes. English is sweet and simple language in the world. And especially in India, brother, seriously, we can access easily. We can talk with the stranger like video calling, audio calling, and we can communicate with foreign also. And we can make a, group also, video call, like, lots of group about WhatsApp call. We can find easily. And your profession is like, you are become a, chartered accountant. I think you're doing accountant field, so in your profession maybe you get a lots of client regarding English environment. So this is great way to opportunities, this is great way to learning an English language. If you interact with them, with a stranger, definitely you will easily understand English language, easily. But it's very important to regular base communicate. It's very important to conversation regular basis. See, listen more, speak more. Listen more, speak more. This is very easy, fundamental to improve communication. Here
Languages,
is
yes.
nothing boundary. Here is nothing boundary. Here is nothing limitation. We can learn anytime, anywhere. Nothing join any classes. Nothing join any English speaking. Nothing join any like attender. Anything free of cost, without disturbance. We can improve, we can talk to yourself, we can talk to friend circle, family circle, anywhere, anytime. English is very easy way, a very easy language, brother. See, really very easy language. And don't concentrate grammar also, avoid a grammar is not important. Literally, I'm telling you, grammar is not important. Whenever you conversation lots of, automatically you will get a clarification, automatically you will learn also grammar. That basically like a will, was, and present, past, future. So that's it, we learn. Don't go to deeply refer throughout like what do you mean by a model verb, adjective, verb, helping verb. It will too much complicated. So avoid this thing, just try to make a simple conversation, simple make a stronger. Just try to do conversation with stranger, simple way. Talk about any beautiful topic, talk about any your opinion, your career, your field. This is good way to improve each other. So by the way, you didn't share with me like, did you complete your degree about chartered accountant? Did you give an exam like CA exam? Okay.
Uh, I, when I completed my graduation, then we go for a job, not higher education, but we are planned. We will plan in future after some time. We have get admitted with higher education, but right now some responsibilities are there, so we work right now. We have
So
work right
how
now.
many experience do you have about the accountant field? How many experience do you have?
4 years ago, 4 years, because training about training with a CA chartered accountant firm. Then we have got practical knowledge. Then you get job in limited company. So I think we have knowledge in practical in accounting knowledge, enough knowledge. Not enough, but very knowledge, good knowledge. But because we work regularly daily basis in accounting field. I know everything about GST, income tax, direct taxes, indirect taxes. I know all about this because I use regularly work. So I think when I was free, I will definitely do higher education.
Yeah.
But right
Right.
now I'm only graduate college.
Okay. So whenever, I mean, we can say like you are working accounting role. Okay. So your job, like your organization is this MNC company and just like a very small company. Are you working with a
No,
MNC
no,
company?
it's a very big thing. No, no, it's an exporter. Is an exporter. They export their the goods, and we have overseas cliented because we deal only export wire. So 100 our all wire and uh, all parties in the foreign country. We have to communicate them. So we have a very need to communication English. That's we are trying to speak and learning English.
Yeah, it's must. It's
But
must.
right now
Okay. It's a
it is
requirement
must.
to
It is
English
must for
language.
us. Yes.
Right. So that was
Because
amazing. I your life
all
is going fantastic. Your life is going fantastic about the learning part and about doing a job in accountant field, because whoever working accountant field, those people get a handsome salary and life also good, and in future time you will get a good opportunity to work with MNC as an accountant,
because
you know because
yes,
already
yes,
you have a
because
good
we are
experience.
now. Yes, yes. If I have good English knowledge, we join also good companies and good position. And so why that's why I'm joined the classes and practicing English. So when because I think 2 months ago, 3 months ago, when our English is good, so I will move up and switch the good company and good position and good get a good package.
Right, right. Absolutely right. I'm going to wish you will get a good job in future life, future time. Seriously, that's great. Depend on our experience, our struggle, brother. If we struggle hard, then definitely we will get a good result in future. So always try to do
No,
hard work
we
and
have
honestly.
we have I have all we have to do all some or learning like higher education and English. We have must to do. Then we got a good job and a good position. But right now I'm only graduate and only work as a executive. If you are want to become a senior and a manager, if you are director, so you have more learning and more communication. Most important right now, most important. I have only English right now, but uh, if you are going to the higher education, then you can definitely as a manager, accounts manager, finance manager,
Right.
because I work. mm, because I
Okay.
have knowledge of corporate world because I work from I have been working from 4 years since 4 years, so I have knowledge about corporate world, how to manage and how to get a good job.
Okay. Yeah, that's great, brother. Already you know that like in a market what's going on, how to be give a well
Yes,
performance
yes,
and
yes.
what you want, what's going on. Already you have a good experience, you know that because you did a study about accountant field, about experience, about the client also. So this is great thing. And maybe you are facing a regular cases about client, new client like foreign client, Indian client, other country client. So you are learning know many things about more knowledge about what's going on dealing accountant field and some kind of product, your service. So everything you're learning from stranger. So this is
Yes,
great thing.
right now, when I have to speak with our parties, yes, buyers, yeah, logistic parties, so I prefer only ki, by only we can communicate on mail because I hesitate with communicate directly. In mail, you can help by Google Translate and when you are writing, you have time. You can make sentence. You have enough time to make sentence. So now we are hesitate ki direct call not allowed in this time. So we are only use mail.
Uh,
So uh,
it, in a
uh,
main time easily we can access easily. Over there we get a time like free time we can think about, we can Google it, translate, then immediately write down a
yes,
sentence. If you talk about
yes,
communication,
yes,
over there sometimes it's very difficulty to understanding
yes.
what they are talking about, and
Uh,
sometimes we get a problem about how to I convince with them. So about
mm-hmm.
so email is a very easy way to convince
Very,
yourself.
very easy way. Yes, right now we use very. You prefer to only mail.
Yes, yes, yes. That's great. Yeah, you are interesting person, brother. Seriously, you're doing great job.